In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate background on Canva. If you're looking to add a bit of motion and polish to your designs, whether that's a social post, a presentation slide, or a simple graphic, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to create a smooth animated background and export it the right way. First, open your design in Canva. You can use any existing project you've already started. Once it's open, click directly on the background of your page. The key here is to select the page background itself, not an image or text box sitting on top. You'll know it's selected when you see the background outlined, and the top toolbar changes to show background-related options. With the background selected, look at the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel. If you don't see the Animate option, double-check that the background is indeed the active selection. In the animation panel, you'll find a range of page animation styles, from subtle, minimal movement to more dynamic effects. Hover over each option to preview how it will look on your background before committing to it. Some effects may be marked as pro, but there are solid free choices as well. After choosing a style, adjust the animation speed if needed. Slower speeds usually feel calmer and more elegant, while faster speeds create energy and urgency. Use the speed or duration control to fine-tune the pacing so the motion complements your design rather than distracting from it. Small tweaks can make a big difference in how professional the final result feels. Now, preview the animation to see it in action. Use the preview controls to watch it play and make sure everything looks smooth and intentional. If something feels off, go back to the animation panel and adjust the style or speed until you're happy. When you're ready to export, go to the top right, click Share, and then select Download. In the File Type menu, choose either MP4 video or GIF format. MP4 is best for higher quality motion, smooth gradients, and anything that might later include audio. GIF works well for short, looping animations without sound and for sharing where video isn't supported. Pick the option that fits where you'll post or present your design. Finally, click Download. Canva will process the animation and save it to your device. Give it a quick play to confirm everything looks great and you're done. Your animated background is ready to share.